Looking for a reliable vehicle with a solid history? Check out this 2020 Ford Escape S Sport Utility. It's a one-owner car that's lived in Georgia its entire life, complete with dealer service history and original books and keys. Plus, it comes with current Georgia state emissions. This vehicle is a dealer certified pre-owned, which means it's backed by a quality plus warranty 3 months or 3,000 miles for your peace of mind. And when you buy, you'll have the opportunity to add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price, in addition to the advertised price. We also offer a lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale, giving you even more confidence in your purchase. As always, we encourage pre purchase inspections to ensure you're making the best decision. Remember, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status and associated warranty, so take advantage of this great offer today.